delectable, delectable, delectable. This word means delicious. Let's use delectable in a sentence. I'm so stressed today. I want to eat a delectable food. Let's have another example. I really like that restaurant. They serve various kinds of delectable foods. Do you want some more? Here it is. To attract more customers, we should make our menus delectable. And our last example is, I'm craving for something delectable now. Elated, elated, elated. This word means extremely happy. Let's use elated in a sentence. He was elated on his wedding day. Let's have another example. They were elated at the result of the exam. Do you want some more examples? Here it is. Why are you so elated about going to that party? And our last example is, she was elated when she received a bouquet of flowers. Frugal, frugal, frugal. This word means careful in spending money. Let's use frugal in a sentence. Be more frugal with your expenses and you will never be in debt. Let's have another example. Being frugal made me save $40 on my electric bill this month. Here is our third example. Buying in bulk to save a few dollars is part of my frugal lifestyle. And our last example is, John, a frugal man, would cut his own hair to save money.